Harm you. We've been sitting here for the last 3 hours.
This light spread far all over the world for peace and harmony. May the Lord keep this light always burning forever.
Everybody, please. Such an illustrious statesman in our midst. It is an honor for all of us to have him here with us. I would also request Sir to speak on the occasion and bless the children gathered here today.
There are three very difficult things to do in life. भाषा समझ में आ रही है? There are three very difficult things to do in life. One is, it is very difficult to climb a wall which is leaning towards you. Yes or no? It is very easy to climb a wall which is leaning away from you. Second, it is very difficult to be honest when you are in power. When you are on seat of power, you are at a position where you can do a lot of things. It is very difficult to be honest. And third, it is very difficult to own your own mistakes. Very difficult to own your own mistakes. A person who does own his or her mistake certainly is bound to succeed in life, because the moment you own your mistakes, you make progress. Today I am going to speak maybe about 15 minutes or so on the subject shaping your minds or shaping young minds. Here I am not talking about young by age. Couple of weeks back I was here and I heard Dr. Gandhi speaking over here. I thought he was the youngest person among all of us. It is more about the passion, the commitment, the vision, what you want to carry and make sure you execute it. The most important part is execution. How well you execute it. How much passion you have got. Kitna josh hai aapke andar. So let me just run through what is young. As I said, young is not about the age. It is all about the passion, the fire you carry within yourself. I'll touch about time and we, and then I'll touch about calibrate yourself. I'll touch about execution, and then I'll not cover much because time is short, and maybe next time whenever we meet, maybe we'll try and cover something more. Chaliye, finally I could make you all laugh. This is the best medicine for all of us, and we don't even laugh, and it comes at no cost. Time and we. As you see, on an average, life for a person is about 72 years in India. Now, this is a research which I have done over last 22 years working in different companies. I have done this research on my own employees I have been working with. You see, in sleeping, we waste about 24 years. मतलब 72 साल में से 1/3 लाइफ सोने में बिता दी, एंड स्टिल एवरीवन कम्स एंड टेल्स मी, सर नींद पूरी नहीं हुई. अरे भाई कितना सोएगा? आउट ऑफ 72 years, 24 years you are sleeping, और जिस दिन भगवान निपटाता है उस दिन बोलते हैं यार थोड़ा और जीने दो. भगवान बोलता है जब मैंने जीने को दिया जब तू सो रहा था. वर्किंग 12.5 years, दिस इज थियोरिटिकल. इफेक्टिव वर्किंग, यू नो, 8 घंटे में से आप पढ़ते भी हैं तो इफेक्टिव 1-1.5 घंटा पढ़ पाते हैं, बाकी मौज मस्ती. सेम इज द केस इन द ऑफिसेज ऑल्सो. आउट ऑफ 8 hours, इफेक्टिव वर्किंग इज मे बी 2 hours. जो ब्राइट है, अच्छा है, मेहनती है, मे बी 4 hours, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट. इन ट्रांजिट 8.5 years. वॉचिंग टेलीविजन, राखी सावंत का स्वयंवर, सास किसकी बहू थी या बहू किसकी सास थी. We keep wasting our time, money and energy in watching televisions which are not relevant or building in any way our career or future dreams. And if you keep going this, the list goes on. I suppose the marker is not working, or it's working. Okay, maybe the distance is more. But finally, you see, being intimate is 0.2 years. We are talking about being with family. Making our commitments to our family, we are investing about 0.2 years. The question here from here, this is, people say time cannot be created. I don't believe in that. Try and reduce your sleep. It is all habit. It is proven scientifically, and it is proven by many managers who are working with me. If they reduce their sleep by 1 hour a day, we create few years in our life. Let me talk very important subject. The second part is calibration. You are all students, you go to your labs, everything is calibrated, right? If you have to weigh something, what you do? You calibrate your weighing balance. Is that correct? So calibrating error is always a problem, and we calibrate every instrument in our life. And the most important thing to calibrate is to calibrate ourselves, which we never do in our life. Are you understanding what I'm saying? The most important thing to calibrate is calibrating ourselves. And we have to calibrate against the best. For example, in your class, you have a child or a student who tops the class always. What other students have to do? You have to calibrate yourself against the child. ये ऐसा क्या करता है कि ये first आता है? Instead of focusing on that, what we start doing it? इनके पिताजी पैसे वाले हैं, उनके पास ये है, उनके पास ये है, उसको ये support है. Instead of being positive and focusing on finding the faults and correcting them, what we start doing is on negative side. Same thing as we grow, you try and शीशे के सामने सुबह जाके देखते हैं अपने को अमिताभ बच्चन समझते हैं. Now you can't become Amitabh Bachchan just by going in front of a mirror. You need to inculcate, you have to calibrate yourself. The qualities which lead you to become Amitabh Bachchan or anyone you are dreaming to become in life. Unfortunately, बाल इधर उधर करने से कुछ नहीं होता है. So the worst part we do is we don't calibrate ourselves honestly. What this slide is saying, my friends, is try and calibrate yourself. On the one side is focus of energy, which is x-axis, and on the y-axis is the intensity of energy. And what we are saying is, if the focus of energy is low, the intensity of energy is low, then it is known as laid back. जैसे यहाँ बहुत से लोग बैठे होंगे, कई लोग बोल रहे होंगे यार बोल रहा है, बोल के जाए, that is laid back. जो हो रहा है, होने दो. Then comes the political zone. People are there who keep just speaking. The energy is high, but the focus is missing. A typical politician. Then comes the result-oriented zone. This is the zone where the focus of energy is high and the intensity of energy is also extremely high. This is the result-oriented zone. And finally, we come to the comfort zone, which is just the focus of energy is there, but the intensity is missing. Let me just explain by personal life example, from office to personal life. What is the first thing in life? It's the flirting. When the energy is high, you start flirting. But the focus is missing. यहाँ पे कोई लड़की दिखी, लड़का दिखा, you start liking. By the time you reach home, you don't even know. Everyone knows flirting, right? The energy is high, but the focus is missing. From flirting, what you move to? Engagement. What happens when you are engaged? The focus is high and the energy is also high. That time the woman is the best or the most beautiful woman on earth. In the engagement period. That's what I call as a result-oriented zone as far as even employees are concerned. When a person is engaged, you know how a birthday is celebrated, how smartly or how effectively you make sure every small thing is taken care of. Because it is a engagement zone, it's a result-oriented zone. And why it is done like that? There's a little of insecurity. The boy and the girl both have to put the best foot forward. Otherwise, there are chances engagement could break. So this zone is the best zone where the best effective results are visible in personal as well as professional life. From engaged zone, we move to the marriage zone. मेरी है कहाँ जाएगी, या मेरा है कहाँ जाएगा. All the energy which was there couple of months back suddenly vanishes. Out of last 7 companies I have done the research, about 30% people are in the flirt zone, about 35% people are in the divorce zone, and about 25 to 30% people are in the marriage zone. Result oriented zone, normally 2 to 3% people are there. And then you take across the globe this phenomena. We have a company in US, we have a team in US. If I get through that, same percentage comes. You see our political, our cabinet, I saw the same percentage will come. So wherever you go, it is minuscule people, minuscule number of people which really make the difference. So the learning today is, my friends, calibrate yourself. Are you in flirting zone? Try and move towards engagement zone. If you're in divorce or marriage zone, try and move towards the engaged zone, and you will see a huge difference. I was in Calcutta delivering a lecture at Rotary Club. All veterans were there, 60 plus. One of the senior judge, he asked, sir, I've just retired. I have a lot of pains and problems at my house. What I do? I'm sitting at my lecture over here. If I go home, I have a problem, I know. I said, very simple, sir. When was the last time you gave a bouquet to your wife? He says, I don't even remember. I said, I know, that's where the problem is. When you go today home, buy one rose. She doesn't even need any diamond. She doesn't need any big bouquet. Just take one rose. And beware, she could hit you also because you have never given a rose from last 50 years or 30 years. Suddenly, how come a rose is coming? He went home, gave the rose. After 10, 12 days, I get an email from the same person. He said, Mr. Gupta, small advice from you has changed my life. What I'm saying is, it is small things that makes big difference in a life. It is चींटी जो काटती है. It is चींटी जो काटती है, right? Elephant कभी नहीं काटता, हरदम चींटी काटती है, and it is more irritable. So that's where, my friends, I'll tell you, calibrate yourself honestly, which quadrant you are falling, and make efforts to move to the result-oriented zone in personal as well as professional life, and you will see, certainly, you will be much more happier, healthier, and wealthier as you grow forward. We speak the last subject, most important in our life, execution. अपने लखनऊ को देखिए कितने फ्लाईओवर्स बनते हैं. The moment a flyover starts, हम लोग ही डिसाइड कर लेते हैं ये कम से कम सरकार बोलती है 3 साल में बनेगा, लेकिन हम ही मान लेते हैं ये तो 6 साल में बन जाए तो भी हम खुश रहेंगे. Yes or no? जब 3 साल में बनना है, उसकी कॉस्ट यदि 20 करोड़ है या 50 करोड़ है, तो यदि कोई फ्लाईओवर 6 साल में बनेगा, उसकी कॉस्ट एस्केलेट हो जाता है. यदि वो 30 करोड़ का ओरिजिनल प्रोजेक्ट था, अब वो 50-60 करोड़ का हो जाएगा. प्लस प्रॉब्लम टू द जनरल पब्लिक. So execution is our national problem. It is not a problem just to you and for you and me. This is one of the reasons, personally, I believe our country could have progressed much larger. I'm a proud Indian. I must have traveled to over 50 countries so far. I take pride in being an Indian. But this is one area where I always speak at every forum, that we need to be a better executor. And the moment we get into that level, this country will be much faster, will grow much faster, much better compared to most of the world or the developed nations what we come across. And this is something I'm sharing my personal experience. This is what I do, I follow. जो घरवाली दिए, this is the best. आप उसके लिए ही बने हो, उससे अच्छा नहीं मिल सकता था तेरे. तो परेशान मत हो. जो जॉब है बहुत अच्छा है. Yes, you should have ambitions. If you want to achieve those ambitions, what you have to do is go back and calibrate yourself. Thank you so much, my friends.